In this video, we will see how a computer works. Now, by now, I have told you basics about computer, and in this video, I will try to explain how it works. And again, I am trying to emphasize here that we are not trying to learn about how a computer works, but basically what we are trying to understand here is the very broad concept of how PC works from a user's point of view and not from an engineer's point of view. So as I have told you that machine by itself, the computer machine by itself cannot do much. So first thing is we need to understand is that computer is a machine, or this is also sometimes called hardware. Hardware. And for this hardware to work, we need program. We need program, or this is called software. So the combination of hardware and software. So hardware, which is just the basic machine, and the software, these two together makes this as a multi-purpose magic box. I will call it a magic box. It becomes multi-purpose magic box because of this combination. And the reason why this combination makes it a multi-purpose magic box is because there are millions of program now. Millions of program are there. So previously, like 10 years ago, there may be some thousands of programs, then lakhs of programs. Now it is millions of programs. And every day people are writing more and more programs. And the machine is becoming more and more capable. The third aspect of computer is that in addition to program, people are also preparing information. So the third, information. And then they are sharing this information. So what are they doing is they are preparing the information. For example, I am preparing this video and all of you will be able to share. So I am not writing a program, but what I am doing is I am preparing information, and this information will be available. So with these three combinations, the machine, the program and the information, this really becomes a magic box and is able to do millions of things. It is able to do a lot of things which I mentioned to you. You can locate your friend's house, find the map of your way to your friend's house. You can read newspaper. You can educate about your health condition. You can type documents. You can modify documents. You can prepare your presentation. There is no need to prepare slides on transparencies. You can talk to your friends. You can uh, uh, see face to face through a video conferencing, and you can do all your accounting work. You can do people do electricity, all the bills of electricity company, water company, they are all done by computer. The whole banking work is done by the computer. And again, you can pay your electricity bill through computer. You can pay your house tax through computer. So all those things you can do it because of the combination of these three things. And for this, you need internet. So this link, because this information is not on your computer, but this is lying somewhere else on someone else's computer. So for you to get this information, you need to connect to that computer, and that connection comes through internet. So you require a hardware, you require a software, then you require an internet, and then the information is available on Again, here there are millions of computers. Again, here also millions of computer which has this information available for you. So that this whole ecosystem makes this world of computer very, very powerful. In fact, every year it is multiplying by a factor of at least 2 or more than 2. So if suppose today we have 1 million program, maybe 1 year later we may have 2 million programs. But if you look at the basic building block of computer is only on and off. There is on and off, only two. Like when it's the whole electronics is based on this concept of on and off. When I studied that time, there were very few computers. In fact, the whole of India has about 3 or 4 computers, and it used to be like requiring very, very big area to house them. And they used to be like they require a lot of air conditioning to and a lot of electricity to run them, and there was no screen also. And that time used to be like cards, a punch card. Maybe some of you might have heard that word, punch card. But even from those days and even from today's computer, the basic hardware of computer is made of very basic building block, and that building block has only recognizes only two state, whether the switch is on or switch is off. By combination of on and off, we first arrive at how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, how to divide, and after that certain trigonometrical functions, mathematical functions, and then we wrote then we came to things like electricity billing, writing the logic of how the bill will be computed, and so on. So the journey, and even till today, the basic building block is on and off. So remember that at the heart of computer, it is a very, very simplistic thing. But the simplistic thing has been put to such a tremendous use by combination of the fact that it is designed with a view that it can be programmed. Because of the programming, this machine has become a magic box. So in summary, I would say that you should understand that computer has a hardware, which is what you actually buy when you go and spend 15,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees or 30,000 rupees. You are primarily buying the hardware or the machine. After that, some programs come free of charge, and some programs you will have to pay for it. Then you get an internet connection from companies like MTNL, BSNL, Reliance, Airtel, etc. And these internet will make you connect with the other computers. The other computers may offer the information free of charge, or they may price their information. So that again depends upon the policy of this particular provider. Similarly, the programmer, whosoever has written, he may make the program available free of charge, or he may charge for it. But to get started, you need the machine first. You get the machine first. And this machine is what it is: notebook or netbook or laptop or tablet or smartphone or even now smart TV. So whatever machine you have, each machine has different capabilities. Some machines are more computer oriented. Some machines are more like entertainment oriented. So you have to choose. So, and I have mentioned to you that if you want to get started, the best thing is you get a netbook, which costs you between 10,000 to 15,000 rupees, and then you also need an internet connection. Otherwise, you will not be able to get the information world to on your on. You will not be able to access the information world. Thank you.